talking about stress. Oh my God, guys. Okay, so I was just driving to Nordstrom because I needed to pick up a gift, and I got a text that, you know, I've been trying to figure out my hair appointment. It got jacked up. I'm in a wedding this weekend, so my hair needs to get, do you see this? Needs to be in a style, and Rada can't do it through no fault of his own. It's all my fault. And so then I panicked because it's like, holy crap, it is Wednesday. I was supposed to have an appointment Friday. Now I don't have an appointment, and I have a bridal shower to go to, rehearsal dinner, bridal shower thing, makeup appointment, etc. And I need to find a new person. But my last hairstylist does retwist. I checked with her. She's doing hair for a wedding on Saturday. Can't do it. She had to move all her other appointments. Luckily, I called my sister. My nephew has locks. If y'all remember, Evan has locks. And his person, he's going to get me in tomorrow. Am I taking a gamble? Maybe. But I looked at his Instagram. The man has really long locks. He knows what he's doing, I think. My nephew's locks always look good. So, wish me luck. I got to get all these bags out of the car because I haven't had time until this moment to do the things. I was stressed. The stress is only down a little now. So things I've acquired in the moment for the weekend, so I'm equipped. So my nails, do you see these? These are press-ons. My nails are all about this length right now. Like, not long. And I prefer them to be long. So I did get a pedicure. I think you guys saw that. And I bought these kiss nails that I will apply probably tomorrow night to make sure that they are good. Tonight, I want to just go ahead and do it. No, I'll do it tomorrow. I need to do my own manicure and then apply these. But the toes are good. So purchase that from Ulta. For the bridal shower tomorrow, do I know what I'm wearing yet? No, but we'll figure that out in the morning. I was asked to bring 2 bottles of champagne. So I went and picked those up. We're all grown, like all of us, over 30. So, you know, I just got some decent champagne. I got some Moet. This is the Imperial Brut. This is the Vive Clicquot Brut as well. I've had both of these several times. I enjoy them. Bringing some quality champagne. Bridal shower theme, lace, satin, something naughty. I'm not gonna show you what I bought her because y'all probably go see her or not. She doesn't mind in these videos at some point, and I don't want y'all to know what I bought her. But it's just a lacy lingerie situation. That's what I bought her from Nordstrom. And I got to, tonight I'll put that in a bag and jizz that up so I can be out of here tomorrow. I'm not working the weekend. I took time off because I've got the bridal shower and the after party tomorrow, as well as my hair appointment, which I'm definitely going to be skipping out of the after thing so that I can get to my hair appointment on time. I know she cares more about me getting my hair done, right? Do I need to recap? So I will do that. On Friday, we've got the rehearsal dinner. We've got the rehearsal dinner, and then an after thing. Saturday, getting my makeup done, and doing like the bridal stuff, just like bringing with the bride, and then the wedding. It's an evening wedding. It's gonna go long into the night probably, and it's a fun grown group. So I probably will be very tired, but I will have had a lot of fun, and I don't know what I'm wearing. I don't know what I'm wearing outside. Oh, I gotta pick up my dress. It's altered. I gotta pick up my dress. So much. I got my shoes already. They're shit. I ordered them. I decided to go. Anyways, do you see how that threw me? Okay, but I have an appointment, and that is what matters. Okay, it is literally 7 p.m. I'm going to calm myself by putting together this gift, and then I'll make dinner and chill. I actually need to send a few work emails instead of my out of office email. welcome to my closet. So we've got to figure out what I'm wearing. I actually have a rack in the middle here with the clothes that I just washed and dried. So let me move that so we can get in this closet. Okay, so rehearsal dinner. I know I want to wear this skirt. Y'all know I just bought this skirt earlier this year. I love the way this skirt looks. It's very easy. The weather is in the middle. It's like between 60s and 70s, high 70s. So this is perfect. I just need to choose a top, and I have several. I think I'm gonna wear, I'll show you in there. I've worn it before, but yeah, this I think I figured out. Now, what am I wearing to the bridal shower? I love this little dress. I really do. It's super cute. It's a baby doll dress. I love it. There is not a floral theme, but like this is very girly, cute. I could either wear flats or my wedges. Now, do pearls go with this? I think it works. Okay, option one. Okay, y'all seen this dress a couple times this year. The pearls work, right? Deep V, so the pearls work. A couple things. I cannot do this myself, the hook and eye. I can tie this myself. Like I can get that done. It's not easy, but I can get that done. Or when I get there, I can have someone do it. I don't know. This dress is cute though. It's cute. I'm looking at the mirror over there. We'll see. Okay, there's a reason why I wear this one every time, because it's just very simple. It's classic. This deep V gives it just something extra, right? And it's just a simple wrap dress, and I can wear my wedges with this to really complete it. It's just so simple and cute and easy. That's why it's a go-to. Okay. I'm about to do my mascara and get out of here. Am I running behind? Yes, only to wear the outfit that I always wear to bridal showers. Isn't that crazy? But like, you know, it's worth a try. I did end up calling my sister. I forgot to put on my yummy skin. Oh well, okay. Spray, spray, spray. I do want to try the new Danessa Myricks setting spray when I run out of this, but until then, I'm out of the travel version of this, so I may put this in my travel bag and just buy that, because I do need to, it's small enough, because I do need to have this when I travel because of the way my work works. I just be out all day. Anyways, putting on my mascara and getting out of here. I might put them at, no, we're not putting mascara on in the car. What time is it? I've got 6 minutes. I can do this.
Right here now? No, I'm in New York. Oh, okay. No, I'm from Hawaii. But go bounce that out.
All right, guys, it is going to take me an hour to get to my hair appointment. So I left the shower to get there. I will not be able to go to the wine bar. And that's just like such a fun group of girls. You know how like when your friend is a girl's girl, so then she vibes with all girls. So you get to meet these people who you really vibe with because they are like you. They're like your girl. And now I have a friend in New York, a new one that I got to go see when I go to New York. So yeah, I had to leave early. Well, not early. It ends in 4 minutes, and then they're gonna walk or ride, I don't know, to the wine bar, because we drank a good amount. I'm fine, but yeah, they're gonna go to the wine bar, but I'm headed to my hair appointment because I cannot look crazy at this wedding. It's 50-odd degrees this morning, so I had to change my outfit choices. I'm about to make up my bed. But I have this long sleeve maxi dress, or not maxi, I don't remember what you call this thing right now. So I'm going to wear that to the rehearsal. And then the rehearsal dinner, I'm still going to wear this olive skirt, but I'm going to wear this off the shoulder top that has a long sleeve component. But right now I got to go pick up my dress. It's done. And do my nails, because clearly I haven't done those. I was too tired last night. But you know what looks good? My skin. That was the investment. And this pimple is the one that I wanted to do last night. So this has time to heal some before the wedding tomorrow. Anyways, let's hop in the car. Okay, so my dress is behind me. I don't know if you guys, there it is. That's our dress. Picked it up from the alterations joint. Yes, I did cut it that close because I came back a couple of weeks ago and I was like, keep taking a bit more in the back because, you know, the space, the hump when you got a butt. So cut it close, this close, but the dress is done. I can trust this later. I get other things altered by this spot. And so now I want to go pick up a book. And I'm only picking up this book because of the hype. And then I'm going to go home and do these nails. You cannot cry yet. It is way too soon for tears, ma'am.
I got handkerchiefs for y'all though.
We need them.
Yeah, see, I like the ivory.
I like the ivory
so
on the ivory.
classic.
It's so classic. You've got a classic look.
Yeah.
And I know it'll be painful, but the ceremony's not long.
Bring these though.
Bring them.
No, for sure. No, yeah.
Or what you could do. Okay, this is. Listen to my voice. Time was had. And I just came home and laid out after. It's been a long 3 days, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. A long 3 days. I don't think I got enough footage. We'll see what I share. I may or may not share this vlog because I don't think I got enough footage. Nonetheless, today, I still got to get ready for the week. But I'm going to relax until sometime between 2 and 4. I woke up at 7 a.m., which is pretty late for me, but like also normal for the weekend. Sorry about my voice, but I'm going to relax, hydrate, see if I can get it back. I feel fine, by the way. Like I did drink a lot, didn't eat much, but I was okay, and I'm okay now. However, my makeup looked good, so good yesterday that now I'm like, I want to take a makeup class because I suck at it, apparently. I also don't wear like a crap ton of makeup. I don't know. I still want to take our makeup class because that makeup looked so good. It was so natural, but elevated. It was just so good. Anyways, I'm going to chill. So I haven't eaten yet today. It's just been a lazy day. My voice is hoarse. Sorry about that. So I have some wings going in here, and I'm going to add fries about halfway through. Meal prep. I don't really feel like doing much, but I have been craving chicken soup. So I'm gonna slow cook a chicken soup. That's the plan here. And I'm just gonna keep it really simple, but I do wanna sear my chicken for more flavor and saute the onion. And I'm gonna use Holy Trinity just because. I'm not using a mirepoix, I'm using a Holy Trinity just because that's the flavor I'm going for today. And it'll be as simple as that, like going in the crock pot, garlic, bay leaf, letting that cook for 4 hours on high. And I'm gonna have that probably for dinner if I'm hungry, but if not, it's my snack for the week. Instead of, I just really want soup. So I'm just gonna have a chicken soup, gonna have potatoes, no noodles. And then I have some overripe bananas, so I'm gonna make banana bread, and that's gonna be my dessert for the week. And I'll take the other half to my sisters because I won't be able to eat the whole thing. Or my brother, maybe my brother. Let's do that. It takes all kinds of willpower and dedication for me to do this every week, especially after a busy weekend. Like I didn't even start this bread until 6:30, and now it's almost 8. The soup finished fast. It's done. It's cooling so that I can store it, and then I'll have my third, fourth meal. I think it's the third meal of my day. I just really wanted some chicken soup, and I was like, why not? Why not let that help me meet my health goals for the week? So the bread, though, is just a treat. Like there's no, I just wanted it. I had ripe bananas, and so I'm baking it. I use the America's Test Kitchen recipe, the one that's like the ultimate banana bread, because it's got like a lot of banana flavor, and that's what I enjoy because that was the most fun I've ever had at a wedding. Ooh, look at this bouquet. This was my bridesmaid bouquet. We walked down the aisle with. I took the ribbon off. It was from the bride's mother's dress, so I'm keeping that as a keepsake because I really do feel very honored to have been in the wedding, and especially honored to have my friend and just that couple in general in my life because they are amazing people. Love that little baby of theirs. I don't think I've ever shown the baby. I probably never will. Y'all know me. I don't show other people's kids like that. I want to know, what are y'all looking forward to in fall? Let me know below. I got to make a bucket list. I haven't really done it yet. And I love making a fall bucket list. Like, let's go. I went to the pumpkin patch last year. So like I want to pick some apples this year. So anyways, I'm talking your head off. I'll show you guys because you guys told me that you like to see the prep going in the containers. So I'll show that. But this I'm going to go ahead and throw in the oven now that it's all in here. And it should come out tasty as usual.